Is your engine feeling sluggish, maybe making a bit more noise than usual? Or perhaps you're staring at a check engine light that just popped up. You might be dealing with a P000B trouble code. This code is all about your engine's timing, specifically the variable valve timing, or VVT system. Modern engines use this technology to adjust when the valves open and close to give you better fuel economy and power. The code specifically tells us there is a slow response from the camshaft position on bank 1, circuit B. Let's break that down. Bank 1 is the side of your engine that has the number 1 cylinder. If you have a straight inline engine, you only have one bank. The letter B indicates we are talking about the exhaust or rear camshaft. Essentially, the computer is commanding the camshaft to change its angle, but the actual position is lagging behind. It's like telling a soldier to turn left and they take 5 seconds to actually do it. Now, the absolute first thing you must check is your oil. This entire system runs on oil pressure. If your oil level is low, or if the oil is dirty and sludge-filled, the actuators cannot move the cams fast enough. So check that dipstick first. If the oil is good, we need to look at the electrical side. You will need to test the camshaft position sensor. These are usually either Hall effect sensors with 3 wires or permanent magnet sensors with 2 wires. For a Hall effect sensor, you will use a multimeter to back probe the signal wire. When you crank the engine, you should see the voltage fluctuating on your meter. If it is a flat line, the sensor is dead. For the 2-wire type, you switch your meter to AC voltage and look for that same fluctuation. You also need to check the oil control solenoid. This is the valve that directs the oil flow. You can measure its internal resistance with your meter set to ohms. If it reads out of limits, or OL, the internal coil is broken and you need a new solenoid. Also, pull the solenoid out and look at the little screens on it. If they are clogged with metal debris or sludge, that is your problem right there. If all the electrical tests pass, you have 12 volts at the connectors, good grounds, and the sensors are reading correctly, then you might be looking at a mechanical issue, like a worn timing chain or a bad VVT actuator. Those are bigger jobs, so double-check those easy electrical basics and your oil condition first.